Hi everyone, welcome again to Glam's. If you're new here, do like and subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to achieve a simple and fresh everyday makeup look that's perfect for any occasion. First, make sure your face is clean and moisturized. A good moisturizer or primer will help the makeup to last all day. Start with the dark shade concealer to neutralize any redness and then apply a lighter shade on top to blend well with your foundation. For a natural look, always go for a lightweight foundation. Start by applying a light shade on your eyelids and then use a darker shade along with upper lash line to add definition and depth to your eyes. Now apply a medium brown shade on the eyelids, blending it gently to soften the line created by the darker shade along with the upper lash line. To brighten your eyes, apply a very light pink shade to the center of your eyelids. To enhance your look, use a very light eyeliner on the corners of your eyes for a delicate touch. Apply a very thin layer of mascara to your lashes for a natural yet enhanced look. Applying a good setting powder on top of the foundation helps control shine throughout the day. Apply the bronzer along the temples, cheekbones and jawline, and blush on the apples of your cheeks. For the lips, go for a nude pink shade that's perfect for daily wear. If you like this video, make sure to drop your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.